Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a Google account and basic Python familiarity. Open Colab. Research. Google, com and sign in, choose Python 3 runtime. Once done, mount Google Drive so you can access datasets and save checkpoints automatically. Make sure to link your GitHub if code lives there, then open the notebook from the repo. You'll also create a new virtual environment cell to pin package versions. This avoids dependency drift when installing libraries like Torch, TensorFlow, or Sklern. Once Drive is mounted, configure the runtime to match your model's needs. Runtime right arrow change runtime type, right arrow pick GPU or TPU. You must then install required libraries in a cell, run pip install with exact versions, import them, and print their versions to verify. Make sure to set data loaders, batch size, and device placement early. This prevents runaway memory use. If using large datasets, shard and stream them from Drive or GCS to keep RAM low while maximizing throughput for training. You'll wrap up by building a robust training loop that checkpoints regularly and logs metrics to TensorBoard. Save checkpoints directly to Drive so restarts resume cleanly. After training, export the model artifact and freeze requirements. TXD for reproducibility. If the runtime disconnects or the kernel dies, first reduce batch size or model precision, clear queue to cache, then restart the runtime and remount Drive. If problems persist, verify library versions and GPU quota. A quick retry with Colab Pro or smaller experiments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.